In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a customer support ticket routing workflow in Hermes Agent. First, open Hermes Agent and go to the main screen where you can access the Give Hermes a Task input box. To build your workflow, start by defining your goal clearly. In this case, you want the agent to automatically categorize and route customer support tickets based on their content. Next, describe the ticket types you want to handle, such as billing issues, technical support, refund requests, and general inquiries. Then, instruct Hermes to analyze each incoming message and classify it into the correct category based on keywords and intent. You can also specify what action should be taken for each category, such as tagging the ticket, drafting a response, or escalating urgent issues. Once you submit the task, Hermes will process incoming support messages and apply your routing rules automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.